Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In this video student, we are going to understand how to find out the maximum and minimum element from the tuple. There are actually already function that is max and min in tuple, but we are not using that one thing. So let's begin. So we are going to do the practical first. So student, what we are going to do? So first of all, we are going to open our Python ideally, and then after that I will show you how to do that. So here I am using here Python 3.7. So we have to open the Python, that is GUI based, and now I am going to open a new file for my program. So I will put here comment as a motive of my program. So we can say that program for, it means a program for finding max and minimum value from definitely tuple. So here what we are going to do student, here we are going to create a tuple that is tup. So here we can say the tuple like 2. Okay, we can enter here value with random value, that is -9 56 0. So here I have entered here tuple. So what I am going to do student, I will do the same thing. I will just print this particular comment as my output also. So I am just copying it, and then after that we can see what is our tuple. So print, within that I will say tuple is, here I will provide comma, then here tup. So let's run it. Before it will run, it will ask me to save the file. So I'll save the file with definitely tup. You can see a program for finding maximum and minimum value from the tuple. So tuple is 2 1 6 7 -9 56 0. Now student, what I am going to do student, now I am going to just use the logic part here. So here logic part. Okay, so I will traverse the whole particular tuple. Definitely, as you know, for I in range, then within that I will say definitely from 0 to length of my tuple. Okay, and it will traverse the whole element. And now I will say if I is tuple equals to 0, then I will say two local variable I will take here, that is max value and min value. Okay, so here I will take a global variable according to the indentation of 5. So here max val definitely equals to min val, or we can say that minimum value equals to definitely none, because I want to use it further. So here I will say max val equals to whatever our tup of first element can be considered as max val, and we don't know what is the minimum value. So here we are also going to provide here the min val same as tuple 1, because tuple 1 is also considered as a minimum and maximum value. And we are going to just check it again. Here student, pay the attention, I am not typing here elif, here L, that is if condition. It means to say either it is true or false, doesn't matter, it will check or not. So it will also check. So here I will say if our max value, it means to say max value is definitely lesser than whatever the tup of I. Okay, so it will say new maximum value will be initiated. So here we can say that as a comment new max value. So here what I am going to do students, same thing, new max, that means to say max val equals to what are the tup of I will be initiated here. Okay, or I will say again, if the whatever our minimum value, okay, if it is definitely agar then we can say that if it is greater than tup of I, then we can say new particular minimum value. I will say new what thing, minimum value. So I will make it copy it, then I will paste it. So here I will say tup of I. So after this, what we are going to do, students, here I will print finally my particular maximum milli number. So max number, definitely it will show you in this particular way. So here max well, and I will use this by /n, that means a new line, that is minimum number equals to same way then minimum well. So I'm going to just run it to check what is the output. You can see here in output, so you can see tuple is 2 1 6 7 -9 56 0. So here you can see in the tuple element 56 is maximum number and minimum number is 9. Even then you can just add new element here. Suppose that here I am going to provide here 34 78 1000 or -25, okay, whatever. So now we are going to just run it again. So you can see it will ask me to save it again. Now you can see the maximum number among the particular elements of the tuple is 1000 and minimum number is 25.